Hello, everyone. I'm Robelf.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Dylan with a brand new unboxing. We've got Robelf. Let's check it out. We've got here a user manual, and then we've got the L-Fi. Now the L-Fi is a secondary camera that goes into the back of Robelf. We've got here a power brick and electrical cable. So as I had mentioned, this is a secondary camera that you can pretty much attach into the back of Robelf. You can also put it on this stand and you can have your home security camera. That's some weight to it. Alright guys, what we're going to be doing now is getting the QR code activated.
When seeing successfully bound, press the next button.
I am going to give Robelf a name. What should Robelf call you? I want him to call me Dylan. Now let's see next.
Binding succeeded. Wow. Is it my new home? That is so awesome. Hello, everyone. I'm Robelf, your new family member. Please come forward and let me take a photo of you. 3, 2, 1. Please tell me if you like this photo. Now tell me who you are in the family. You can say the number or appellation. I can't your father. When is your birthday? Please set it manually. Congratulations. Before I get to know all of you, allow me to give you a brief introduction on how to interact with me. You can use the voice commands to tell me what to do. Also, you can touch my nose to open the main menu as well. If you want me to move my body, you can use the voice commands too.
This is what the app looks like. It's got members, remote, safe alert, and then it's got call.
No photo found.
That is the video calling feature. And call. We've got a remote. Say okay. Turn head. This kind of shows you what he's in. So you could move his hands. And then I hit reset, so it goes back into his original place. That'll take us to his menu. So what we can see here is we've got a camera, we've got a photo album, we've got calendar, we've got phone calls, we've got messages.
Authorization required.
It does need authorization for that.
Close function.
I did try to do some authorization with my hat on. It doesn't work. You do need to have your hat removed.
Sorry,
the weather,
I can't get the weather information of New York.
It's got the weather
function.
area, but this definitely does work. I'm sure I can just put that in. Let's see what else we've got. We've got story mode.
The story is downloading.
Here are some stories
wait patiently.
you've got. I'm going to
Download completed.
quickly show you Goldilocks.
Goldilocks and the three.
There once were 3 bears who lived in a cottage in the forest. There was a great big
So if you've got kids, this is great because you can easily use this to play the stories for them. Let's go back. I'm not interested in Goldilocks.
What story would you like to read? Closed function.
We've got the Elf Eye. We've got applications. Now, the App Store is currently still on the development. I know that Robelf, they're working on that, so that would be
Closed
great
function.
to see what kind of apps get rolled out. And you can see here is the App Store right here. It says coming soon.
Connect Elf-I to me on your mobile app.
Here's the Elf Eye. We go into device and we're gonna add a device here. And then I'm gonna select Elf Eye.
Function.
Alright, let's see. So we've got clock.
Now is 4:07 a.m.
So it looks like we can do a timer. That was
There is
accidental.
no alarm set at this moment.
We can do alarm. Let's go to
Please tell
settings.
me the number or function name.
So family members wait.
Authorization required.
Okay.
Recognition succeeded.
So this is where you can add multiple members' profiles in, which is great. So we can just go
A
here.
new member. Please come forward and let me take a photo of you.
Let's see what we've got. Some general
You
settings.
can only adjust these settings manually.
System, voice, speed, brightness, sleep, never, which is good. Media, I guess just the volume of the media if you feel like it's too loud.
Please tell me the number or function name.
Set time
You
zone.
can only set the time zone manually.
So here's the Americas and New York.
Set time zone to America. Time zone changed successfully.
So got sensors.
Authorization required. Recognition succeeded. You can turn off or on these sensors here.
What's asking me is if I wanted to turn off any of the infrared or the ultrasonic sensors. I'm not going to do that.
Please tell me the number or function name.
See what else we've got. Behaviors. If you want to add certain behavior codes in there, so you can pre-program those behavior codes. There is behavior coding, so you can add these. See, that worked. What we have there, guys, is a quick test of the behaviors. What I did is I said, when you see father, which is me, you get very happy and you look up. I'll laugh him, but let's see what else we can do rather than just having him laugh all the time. We want to press the nose, takes us back to menu. Go back to
Please
system.
tell me the number or function name.
Got some extensions. And we've got system updates. This will kind of just give you some information on Robelf.
Please tell me the number or function name.
Guard mode.
Authorization required. Recognition succeeded. When guard mode is on, I will send out the safety alerts if any of the unknown faces have been detected.
Activated. Robelf look like he's...
Attention.
Look at
An
that.
unknown face has been detected. Password correct. The alert is disarmed.
Once Robelf detects an unknown face, and that alert will come directly to your phone. Unknown face detected. Want to go there? That's me. To clear that alert, you can clear it or you can call emergency. I'm going to hit clear alert. It's going to silence Robelf. Let's see what Robelf can do. Hey Robelf,
Hitter.
move forward. Hey Robelf,
Hitter.
move backwards. Take a picture.
If you are ready to take the photo, please say ready.
Ready.
Okay, let me take the picture for you. Say cheese. Photo saved to local album.
Hey Robelf,
Hitter.
Turn left. Hey, Robelf. Turn right.